walkout in memory of the Parkland, Florida victims who were shot by a gunman at Marjorie Stoneham Douglas High School. It's important to us that students be civically engaged, and it's important to us because this is a threat that is very real to any student in America right now.
And do they even know their way down to downtown?
Guns down! Guns down! Guns down! Alex Schachter!
Never again!
Alex Schachter!
Never again!
We are planning on leaving school at 10 a.m. and going to City Hall on the VTA, so we'll have clipper cards and stuff. And we want to have different city council members there. Hopefully Mrs. Teeley, Commissioner of Juvenile Justice, will be able to make it. And we're going to have speeches, we'll have posters, and it'll be like a big protest against gun violence and advocating for gun control.